Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to fix VC run time 140_1.dll missing or not found error in Windows 11 and Windows 10. This error usually happens when your PC is missing the Microsoft Visual C Redistributable package, and it can stop games, software or applications from opening properly. To fix this error, first click on the Start menu. Type Control. After appearing the control panel, click on it. Click on Uninstall a program. Now check here if there is any Microsoft Visual C program. Uninstall them and restart the computer. If it does not have any Microsoft Visual C program, no need to restart. Just open the browser. In the search box, type Microsoft Visual C Redistributable and then press enter. From the search results, open the first official Microsoft link. Once the page opens, scroll down until you find the download section. From this section, download both files, x86 and x64. Click each file to start the download automatically. Please wait until both downloads are finished. After the download is complete, go to the Downloads folder and double-click on the first downloaded file. Accept the license agreement by placing a check mark, then click Install. Click Yes if asked for permission. After the installation is complete, click Close. Next, install the second file using the same steps. After installing both files, restart your computer one more time. Once the restart is complete, your VC runtime 140_1.dll missing error in Windows 11 should be fixed. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel and comment below if the solution worked for you. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.